What's up everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today's adventure is the longest reach in Germany.
Oh my goodness, it's super exciting and we want to take you guys on this episode of
We Keepin' It Movin'.
Alright, we are about to cross the bridge.
First step.
First step, ready? 1, 2,
3.
Wow.
It's moving a little bit. Not enjoyable.
Look how beautiful this is.
It's moving. With over 50 tons and 360 meters length, Geierlay Bridge is known for not only being the most popular bridge in Germany, but also the highest and the longest suspension region. I can see why. I mean, look at this. If you don't like heights, don't come here. Don't come here.
Sheesh! If you want to break your fear of heights, you should come try this.
This is the perfect place for that. And you can tell that the bridge is new. It was built in 2015. It's still like not even dirty.
Pretty sturdy. Yeah, of course.
You probably have Wi-Fi up here.
It's crazy because this was like a spontaneous trip. Why not take you guys with us, you know, to experience this?
All right, a few more steps, baby. You got it. Ready?
We did it.
Whoa.
We hope you enjoyed this video. We know it was a short trip, but we hope you enjoyed it as much as we did.
If you did enjoy this little adventure of ours, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and until next time, we
Keepin' it
moving.
Peace.